Welcome back, everybody, for another edition of No Edits Crypto Friday night version. Two stories in the market update tonight. First story in the news. Coinbase CEO Armstrong pledges to give crypto wealth to charitable causes. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong has joined the other super wealthy individuals in pledging to donate much of his net worth to charitable causes, or other causes. In a blog post on the website of the Giving Pledge, founded by Bill Gates and Warren Buffett to encourage the rich to donate their wealth to worthy causes, Armstrong said, once a certain level of wealth is reached, there is little additional utility from spending more on yourself, whether it's through improving education, creating a more level playing field, or increasing economic freedom. I'm interested in helping more people see their ideas come to fruition in the world. The CEO revealed that he had signed the pledge via a tweet on Thursday, saying, I'm still early in my journey of discovering how to have the most impact via philanthropy. Today I'm proud to join the Giving Pledge as part of this journey. So Brian Armstrong, a little bit of news about him. Again, he's the CEO of Coinbase. Interesting story. I think personally the best way for people to partake in philanthropy is to create businesses like Coinbase and other companies, any startup, and put their capital to work. Not a big fan of just giving it away. I think you can do more with creating more wealth and value and more businesses. But interesting story nonetheless. Second story is launch of Bakkt. Bitcoin futures market may get postponed again. The Intercontinental Exchange, ICE, the parent company of the New York Stock Exchange, is likely to delay the launch of Bakkt, its Bitcoin futures trading and custody platform. The second time, CoinDesk has learned the company last set January 24th as the launch date. However, ICE has yet to receive the necessary approvals from the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, and at the pace the agency has been moving, it is unlikely that approvals will be secured in time to hit that target. To be clear, that does not mean the CFTC won't ultimately approve the plan. A person familiar with the agency's inner workings said even at January 30th, a January 30th launch was still plausible, meaning the delay could be just a matter of days. Specifically, the CFTC must grant an exemption of Bakkt's plan to custody Bitcoin on behalf of its clients in its own warehouse, according to sources familiar with regulatory discussions of the plan. CFTC regulations normally require that customer funds be held by a bank, trust company, or futures commission market or merchant, FCM. So hopefully this doesn't get pushed back again. Some of these, futures and the ETF news, this stuff has. Personally, I think it's had a negative impact on the price, along with a couple other things. Bitcoin Cash, I think that the split there to Bitcoin ABC there for a while now, which has pretty much been reclaimed. Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin SV, Satoshi Vision, ridiculous project in my opinion. I think just a lot of negative stuff, along with just being in a bear market now for 13 or 14 months, has now it's been 13 months, I think, is weighing on the space. However, we did see the last few days. I didn't get to do a video. We saw Bitcoin go up about $1,000 in price, a little bit over that actually, I think. So it's dropped down about another $250 now or so, $300. So the price is up $700 this week total into the market here. Bitcoin down today, last 24 hours, 6.25% at 38.84 USD to Ethereum down 6.56%, $111.50. Bitcoin Cash down 2.95% at $189.49. It saw a 65% run yesterday for the 24 hours. At one point it was down to $70 last week, and it was all the way up into the 220s yesterday, I think 230 maybe. So it saw a little bit of a decline today. To EOS down 6.82% at $2.57. Litecoin 5.93% in the red right now at $31.37. To Dash down 2.41% at $90.47. Monero down 6.08%, $52.34. Ethereum Classic down 6.3%, $4.51. Neo down 7.18%, $6.84. And Steem currently on page 2 of the market cap at 54th place on the market cap list, down 4.2% at 28.6 cents. So, or 2.86 cents. So, aggregate market cap 128,121,300,000, and Bitcoin dominance at 52.86%. So right now, it's interesting if you Google Bitcoin bulls or Bitcoin bear or just Bitcoin news. Right now, it seems like everybody has an opinion about whether we're heading lower or more blood in the streets, or whether we are going to start seeing a new ascent to maybe new all-time highs here in 2019. I don't make these predictions, as anyone knows that watches this channel. I've never really been into price predictions, but I would have to say that I don't feel like we can go much lower. I think 3,100 and then a strong pushback to 42 or whatever we saw was pretty promising. But like I said, I'm not into technical analysis, but my idea, this has always been, if anyone was buying at the top at 20K, they should really, anything under 5K is like damn steal. So, but this isn't investment advice. I think if you bought every time it dip, we reach a new dip or whatever, a new level of support, it would be smart. You're basically hedging your bets down and up. So it's a good idea to buy in if you're gonna buy the dip. As long as you don't think it's going down to $1,000, every price, every spot of resistance, in my opinion. So, but everyone have a good Friday night, and we will wait and see what happens here in the near future.